All right, we are at the TRX track, about to get some hopefully monster air in these amazing vehicles. And yeah, Paul's here with me. Hello, everyone. Hey. Yeah, and so this should be a lot of fun. Okay.
Thank you.
There's the
Guys.
Hello.
How are we doing today?
We're doing great.
Great.
I would imagine if you get to drive this all day long.
Somebody's got to do it, right?
That's right.
Grab your seatbelts.
Let's get this going.
You guys been out in the TRX yet?
Yes, we actually had it as a press car for a week, but
We didn't get to do this kind of fun
we
stuff.
didn't do any of this kind of fun stuff with it.
Come on, there we go.
Are you all in?
All buckled in.
All right, here we go.
Oh man!
Yeah! Heck yeah! That was awesome!
That was awesome.
These trucks are amazing.
Unbelievable!
702
man.
horsepower under the hood and over 13 inches of travel.
Oh gosh.
Yeah!
That is awesome. All right, well, thank you very
Yes,
much.
thank you.
Thanks for coming out today, guys.
Oh, our pleasure.
No problem.